Look it, should I just run it like this? Carbon one right here, OEM one right here. That shit did not go as planned, bro. All right, what's good, y'all boys? For today's video, we're gonna pick up a new part. I said I wasn't gonna get this part, but I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. I lowballed the fuck out of the dudes. I couldn't pass this up. I was talking about it on my live on TikTok. If you guys join me on live, I was talking about it for like a cool minute. James did not want me to get this part, but I'm coming without James. He can't say nothing about this. He's just gonna have to help me install it. If y'all can't tell from the title, we're picking up a carbon hood. I might be picking up a duckbill. I'm gonna tell him, throw me a deal and I'll pick both up. I drove like an hour and a half away, like almost San Diego. I'm gonna check it out. It's gonna be a brand new hood. I'll show you guys how it looks when we pick it up right now. The duckbill is gonna be full carbon, so it should match my roof. I'm kind of excited. Like I said I was never gonna get carbon, but I got tired of my car looking fucking stock as fuck. So I think it should look good though. I think it'll look hella good. But I have to like polish the hood and then ceramic coat it, but I'll probably do that tonight. Fucking shout out to me being a detailer. I don't have to pay nobody to do that. So I was gonna get a PPF, but those motherfuckers quoted me like 700 just to PPF it. They're like, dude, it's got so many vents. I'm like, bro.
So the vents and then the side skirts and the spoilers, like the only other stuff I have for sale right now for Z07s. Because I have diffusers and front lips too, but I have like deposits and all that.
Okay, no, that's cool, bro. The ZR1?
Yeah, that's the ZR1, and then the other one's like a demon stock.
I know some of them have the clear, like the clear box.
Yeah.
What do you think? This one kind of has more vents.
Yeah.
Looks more aggressive.
Those are like actual vents.
Yeah.
That one doesn't like.
Oh, it's like
any actual vents.
Oh.
So you want me to pull it back?
Just take it back. And does it goes in with the factory bolt head?
Yeah, so the factory bolts, like the two up here, and then the hood latches just go in where these the boards are bolted up.
Okay. How much did you want for this?
This one 400. Those are the other two pieces. And then the side skirts are 450 if you want them.
I'll do the hood for sure.
Okay.
Would you take 1,000?
Please, B, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless.
Nah, I couldn't. My bottom would be 12. The only reason I'm getting rid of this one for cheap is because somebody sent me a deposit on it and then ghosted me.
Oh, fuck. Okay. So you already had a money for it.
Yeah.
Nah, I'll probably just do the hood.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, yo! Alright, so we just got the hood home. Right now, I'm going to like wipe it all down and then polish it just because I just want it to be shinier and glossier. So I'm gonna hit it with my polisher, just like a quick polish, and then probably ceramic coat it. I was gonna get it PPF, but they're quoting me about like 700. It's like super expensive. I'm trying to get my boy Chris to see if he could give me a better price, because 700 is kind of crazy. I do want to get it protected though, but I really like the hood. James doesn't like it, but I don't really care. I got some 3D polish. Gonna hit it with one of the 3D polish pads that I have and using my Max Shine polisher. That should take out some of the swirls if there is swirls. Alright, so y'all can see I wiped this down and you can see there's a little bit of swirls and marring. So I'm gonna polish it up just to make it look a lot nicer, like cosmetically wise, because it's gonna bug me if I see all that. So I'll do that right now. I'll do like quick 2 passes and then it should look a lot better.
Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the 6. Look at what we did. Yeah. Be quiet, I'm doing a toast. For niggas that don't really do shit, I swear I'll be doing the most. Stop worrying about whoever's next. I am just worried about my mama worrying less. I think I'm famous enough. I don't need any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way.
Alright, we got the car out of the garage. I convinced James to fucking help me. He did not want to do this.
I was literally fucking summoned. Literally.
I had to tell TikTok had to help me convince him.
Change. Fucking Squidward.
Alright, well, we're taking the stock one off. James, you want to talk a little bit about what we have to do?
What I see, it's just these 13s right here.
Okay. Oh, one, two. So 4. Okay.
And then it theoretically, not theoretically, just comes right off. Place it in the new hood. But I'm gonna miss the black.
Yep.
I'm miss it. First support it. Grab it right here. I'm gonna take this bolt out, and I don't want it to teeter totter. Alright, just hang on to it. Just not let go of it.
It's out.
Yeah, it's, those 2 bolts are out. Alright, let me know when you're ready. Got it? Yeah. Okay, this one's coming out. Pull it. Damn! This shit looks good.
This is how the car looks with no hood. Look at, should I just run it like this, go? But no. We got the hood off. All off right here. So I'm excited to get the carbon one. We're gonna go grab the carbon one. Try to get it on right now. Shit fucking got me hella tired, bro. And I barely did anything. Carbon one right here. OEM one right here.
I like the black personally.
This looks way more aggressive.
Hell no. This is... I have boomer taste, so I say this
Yeah,
is
you
like,
you're
like those memes where it's like first owner and it's an old guy and his third owner.
The fucking Edgar?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
That's what you are.
Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, once y'all see this on, it's gonna look way harder. But yeah, I just want to put side by side, carbon hood, and then the black one OEM. Alright, we got a cameraman, Aiden. This is my barber. Boom.
We're in.
Hit up my barber, Aiden.
Here you know.
Boy, the way you're picking that up, you're gonna fucking break this shit.
Whoa.
DJ, let me know when you want me to stop it, right?
Alright. Whoa.
Alright,
Wait,
no.
you go ahead.
Go ahead. Boy, why the fuck?
Yeah. Whoa. What the hell? Yo, what are we doing?
You're putting it on.
Hold on. I don't know what to do.
You gotta line up the screws, DJ. Come on. This is common sense.
Oh.
You gotta line your setup.
I don't know how, dude.
Boy. Pick it. Oh my god. Pick it up. Pick yours up.
Slides in?
Yes. Oh my god.
DJ, you gotta put it in the hole.
Yeah.
Hey, yo!
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Want me to? I know what I know.
Actually film this.
No.
Okay.
Film this. Yes.
DJ, put it.
Wait.
Look, put it in there. In there.
There's an indentation. Right there. Look.
Lift it up. Oh.
Okay.
Lift it up.
Alright.
Lift it up. No,
Bro,
retard.
oh my
What?
god.
Where?
Look, put it in here.
Oh, in there. Okay, wait. Wait, hold on.
I got my side in.
Okay. How about my side? Is it it?
You gotta like fuck with it.
Wiggle it a little bit.
Wiggle it. Wiggle your side.
Hey, calm down.
It needs to sit flush, right?
Here. How about you come do this side?
I already have my side in.
Yeah, that's why I come do this side. Just try not to drop this shit.
There, it's in. Alright, hold on. Keep it there. Hold on.
I did it.
No, you didn't. Shut the fuck up. That was...
You want to swap?
No, I have to like dolphin dive in your car.
Okay.
Okay, fuck it.
Hey, you seen the videos where when the mechanic like the shoes all the way in the engine bay?
Seriously, this is gonna be me right now.
You got it?
No.
When the 30-minute installation takes 2 hours.
3 days later.
Alright, so that shit did not go as planned, bro. One thing I learned is always listen to James. He told me not to buy the hood because it was going to throw off the look, and the all black is way better, and that's what literally happened, bro. I thought it was going to look a certain way. In my head, I thought it was going to look like my Subaru with the carbon front end, and then just on a black car, it's way different, bro. It's just like, it didn't match. Like, I'm going to put a picture up right here. You guys probably saw it on my story. Like, it literally kind of just throws off the front end. It just doesn't match. Like, the all black is way more sleek. And I was overthinking this too. Like, all night, I was like, damn, bro. Like, what if I don't like it? I told ChatGPT, I was like, bro, is this hood, like, Photoshop this hood on my car and see how it looks. And at first, I was like, damn, that should look hard. But, like, just seeing it in person, I'm like, damn. Like, I should have kept the black. Like, the black is way cleaner. Just, I feel like on a black car, you can't really do carbon. because it just throws everything off. Like, you have to have way more carbon, and maybe that's what happened, and I just didn't end up liking it. So that's kind of why I didn't upload any footage with the carbon fiber on. I was a little bit upset, you know. I thought it was going to look a certain way. I was super excited to throw it on, and then it just didn't end up looking like how I wanted it to. So that's basically what happened with the carbon hood. Took it off. I have it up for sale. So, like, I polished it up. I did all this shit to it, and it's like, bro, it just didn't end up like how I wanted it. But it's okay. You live and you learn. Now I know not to throw carbon on this car. I'm going to just keep it all black. The car is basically done cosmetically. The reason I haven't uploaded is because it's been raining, bro. It's been raining and I've been waiting for parts. So what I was waiting for is my end links and my lower ball joints. So those were ripped. If you guys remember the video with Tone saying that my car was super shaky. So that's the reason I haven't really been driving, just because I've been scared. The car's been shaking like in the front. So we're going to be replacing those next video. We're also going to be lowering the car. And then obviously I got to get an alignment. And then after that, the car is dialed in, bro. The car will finally be dialed in. Got my shocks replaced. So after that, we'll be good. Got the headers tuned now. Gonna see what the car can do, you know what I mean? Safely and not shaking all crazy. So I'm excited for that. I'm about to be pushing out hella content now that my car is a little more dialed in. I'll be doing more ride-alongs. I'll be doing reactions with my friends. I have a couple crazy videos lined up. Collab videos as well. So I have a lot of shit planned. So I'm probably going to be uploading my next video in 3 days. And then we're going to be filming some more videos this week. So I'm going to try to upload at least once to twice a week. Now that my car's back up, I've been lining up ideas on content, so I'm super excited for that. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, follow my Instagram. I post every day on TikTok, almost every day on my story on Instagram. Let's try to hit 5.5K by the end of this month. We're at like 5.350-ish right now, so I love every single one of y'all that y'all show me love, bro. Like, when y'all tell me to keep going and, like, where the videos, bro, it means so much. Y'all help me stay locked in. It means the world to me, because I've had this dream of doing YouTube since a kid. Finally, it's coming to life, you know? All this support I'm getting, like, it's really unmatched. I've been focusing on my detailing. I've been trying to make my detailing content a lot crazier. So I really love y'all, bro. I love every single one of y'all. I read all your comments. I know all of the people that support me. I know everybody that comments. I'm not switching up on anybody, because y'all are the ones keeping me here. Y'all are the ones supporting me. Y'all are the ones making my channel. So I will never forget that, you know. I'll always show love. I'll stay humble and stay grounded, no matter how big I get, no matter how many followers I get. It really doesn't matter to me, because I wouldn't be shit without you guys. Like, dead ass. I wouldn't be shit. Without all the support, I really wouldn't be shit. Like, yeah, it's me, but it's the support that I get from you guys. But enough yapping. That's enough yapping. Y'all always say I'm yapping, but I like talking to camera. So that's basically it for this video. If y'all are new, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for the video this week. A couple new videos coming. I love every single one of y'all, and see y'all in the next video. Peace.